Exactly. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I think what you need to do is if you have a cPanel, you log into your cPanel. Let me log into mine. So when you log into your cPanel, you create a subdomain. Yeah, you come to a subdomain, you create a subdomain. You can call it any name you want. For this tutorial, I think I should call it Final Extent. Okay, I already think I have it. Let me use this one. Just create it. So once you create a subdomain, you can create like a landing page for it. Okay. So I don't know why my internet is slowing this down. Let me see. Okay, so it has been created. It's finalexpense.dailyoffers.com. Alright, so for this, I can then go back to Softaculous or I go straight to WordPress. Oh my god, I don't know why it is logging out. So, why it's logging me out. Okay, so I can just go to Softaculous app installer, then I'll just install WordPress on that subdomain we created just now. Okay, so just go to that was final expense. Okay, dailyoffice.com. So you can call this final expense. You can call this giving your order generation. Okay, so my admin, I can call this admin and I can give this final expense 622. Okay, okay, so that can be my password for this admin at dailyoffice.com. Alright, so I guess that I can install. Okay, so once it has finished installing, you just go to the administrative URL, then you create a landing page. Because I've not done I didn't wait. I waited for like 3 hours. The um, HTTPS will start working. That's the SSL certificate will start working. But I just go because of this tutorial. I'll just go. So this is like the page. So let's create the landing page now. Let's create a page. Let me call that page final expense. Alright. Page, call it final expense. Uh, Firstly, let's quickly go back to the page. Let's withdraw. Let's create, add the plugin that we use in creating. I always like to use. I always prefer to use um, Elementor. So let's look for Elementor plugin. Okay, so this is installed Elementor plugin and activate it. Okay, so once I just okay, once it's already installed, so the next thing to do is to come back here, refresh this page. Elementor supposed to show here. It was successfully installed. You exactly. So edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is Elementor page. So we can use the existing pages that they have, or you create. I'm a web developer, so I can create from scratch. But because of beginners, so you come to settings first, then you come to this place, page layout, and choose Elementor Canvas. Okay, this will change because it's just a landing page, so you can just come here and just pick a page, a very simple page. You can just and to edit quickly. Okay, so let's see which page we can just quickly edit. Most of these pages are pro. I don't want to use pro pages. Let's use, if you don't get a good page, yeah, they're no more giving out free pages, I guess. I haven't used this stuff in a long time. But, okay, I guess this is free, but it's not reasonable. Okay, I think this is also free, but we don't need this. It's like a photographer page. This one is like a law. This one is like restaurants. This one is, okay. Let's use this law. Okay. So you can just create an account. If you don't have an account with Elementor, create an account. I already have an account with them, so there's no point creating. Just log in. Okay, so I'm signed in. So just connect it. Okay, so we've inserted that stuff. So I'm going to remove all of this. Just remove all of this. Remove all of this. Remove, remove all these ones. Remove these ones. Oops. I just need only this first page. I don't think I have anything to do with all these ones again. I need this ones. Okay, cool. This is all I need. Because if I should put too much on the page, so how will they be able to call? How will they call after it's for calling? So this picture here, I can just look for, let me see, final expense landing page. Okay, let me just see. Let's see what people have on their own page. So we can just okay, now look at some here. There are some samples here. You can just have something like this. This is perfect. Protect your family against final expense cost. Free codes. That's all. I don't have to write too much. So put simple like this. That's going to be okay. Images of white. White. Image. This guy's not wearing shirts. Let's see. Let's say images of I really know why it's not slow. Okay, so I searched this one. Let me see. There are other nicer ones. Um, I need a very large image actually. So let me see if this works. I don't know if this will work. Um, let's see if this work. Yeah, let me see if this one. Okay, so let's go to this place. I can make it my background here, and let's go to style. I'll make it my background. Okay, so downloads. Let's see if it's. I don't know if the image is very large enough, so go by. Let's see if it's gonna go by. Okay, so I'm going to increase the width of the image. Something like this. I'll make this. I need to delete this one. I don't need so. Okay, so all of what was written here, I just delete them away. Okay. Um, I don't need anything here. Okay, so let's delete this one. Are there anything written here? Okay, I think nothing is written. So let's make this one white. Okay, white. I guess. Okay, cool, perfect. And then is there anything written here? Okay, so let me remove this color. We can do this color then. Okay, so this one. So I don't know this one. Just need just this page. The height of this thing. I don't know if I can increase the width. So I'm gonna use the height. Fit the screen. Perfect. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, how I do it. Perfect. So this is okay. So all we need to do here is check all up to date. The width. Let's increase this width. Align default stretch. Not to stretch. This is our video. Yes, perfect. So let's touch this place and see what we can do with the layout. Column gap. Let's do the default. Okay. I think I like it this way. Then the image is, let me see if I can fit this image better. Position, center, let's default it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this works for me this way. I don't care how it looks, but so what did he write here? So we can just say protect your family against final expense cost. Okay, so protect your family. So we can just reduce this typography is too big. I guess this works for me. Then I can just stretch this one out. Okay, so I think we need to blur this background. It's too noisy. So let me just put an overlay. Let's put the color there. So, that color. Okay, cool. So we can put more things to write, but basically this is how I create my landing pages. I don't want this video to be too long, so once you do this, you can go back to what's that thing called? So WordPress and get the actual URL you want to give them. Okay, so go back to WordPress here, then you go to settings so that you can give them a reasonable URL. So my URL, I just want my URL to be finalexpense.dailyoffice.com. Okay, so let me go to settings, then I go to permalinks. I don't even think I really need to go to permalinks per se, but if I go to permalinks, it just gives us a better name for the this thing. But I think I should go to reading. Yeah, let's go to reading first. Let's go to reading first. I think yes, my static page. Home page should be the final expense stuff. Then I save that. So if I refresh, if I take this to another browser entirely, let's take it to this browser here. Okay, so it's going to bring up that what's it called? This thing is even already working. The cell is working. So I can put the phone number I want to call. Something like yeah, I can just put something like a button. Find out how or call this number or stuff like that. So I can just drag the text editor, something like this here. Click here to find out how. Okay, so I can change this to white as well. Under styles, make this white. Okay, I can give it a background if I want, but I can also even make it. In fact, we can even delete it and make it a button instead of writing something. So we have the button here. Okay, so click here, click here, find out. Okay, so this button now we can just give this a tail. We can make it tail plus 1, 2, 3. Where your phone number is. Okay, so when someone clicks on this button, it takes them to call. Okay, so you'll be able to call like that. However, you can also look for all these plugins that have calls. I think okay, so you can just download a few plugins that works. I think there is let me look for a few plugins. The one I use is this, what is it called now? Chatty. I use Chatty. Let's click on add new. So Chatty works. Chatty. Chatty. Let me know if it's TTY. Yeah, this is it. So you can put WhatsApp button. You can put whatever button you want to put. So uh, you can set it up. Let's go to settings. And set it up. So whenever anybody lands on the website, you can. This is optional actually, obviously. So I can just call this final expense, okay? And I can decide not to. I don't know if this one allows people not to choose WhatsApp button. So for me, I don't think we need WhatsApp. So we can just put the number you want to put and then you save it. Okay, so if you refresh this, it should show somewhere on mobile, or it's even showing here. So contact us, something like that. So it works. So you put the number there, and then it's able to work. So that's it. This is the URL they're requesting from you. You have something to show for on it. Okay. So for the what's it called now? For the other one, let me see. For the other one now, what's that? What's it called? Screenshot of the offers or screenshot of your ad creative. You can just use this thing. You go to what's that thing called now? You can come here. That's canva.com. You create a very nice simple image for them. can create any nice image. Like for instance, now I was running one offer for what's it called? One local offer like that. So you can just create something simple. You just write something nice there. Google different things. So you can Google something like images of final expense art creatives art image. Okay, something like that. And you come to canva.com, you create a design. If you want to use it on Facebook, you can do this Facebook posts. Then here you see images, plenty images. You might even just download. If you don't want to create your own here, you can download images from the internet and send it to them. I guess that's basically what you need. So okay, so look at this one now. This is an image that you can use. Leave on a good note. Okay, see a lot of them. Just download it, then you send it to them. Okay, so and if you want to edit it, you can also come here, edit it. Come to canva.com, click edit photo. So you can edit this one, cover this ABC insurance, go today to get the free something like that. I just cover this ABC insurance using elements like square, all these elements here. I just use them to cover whatever you want to cover there, and that works. So I guess the third one is that works for creatives. The first one is URL. The next one is creatives. I think the third one is your past stats. That one you can send them your past stats now from maybe DMS or anything. So that stops it.